Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am obsessed with today's look. I know I start all of my videos like that, but this eye look I am so in love with. And I wanted to try out this new palette by Urban Decay. Look at that. And then it's cool how it opens up like this. And then we have the palette inside. So this is the Wild Greens eyeshadow palette. I kind of wanted to do a look with a mixture of the neutrals and some of the greens. So that is what I did for you guys today. I think this palette's so pretty. So if you want to stick around to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to apply some tape on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going into the Urban Decay Wild Greens eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm going into is Earthside. Starting with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. This is going to be kind of my transition shade and add a little bit more definition and depth to the shadow. I love layering shadows. I feel like it just really adds a lot of dimension to the shadow. I'm now going into Kickback. Now with my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm starting to tap this on the outer half of my lid. And then doing little circular motions to start bringing it up towards the crease. These shadows blend so nicely into each other. There is a little bit of kickback, which is so weird that the shadow name is Kickback, but that's not bad. It just means that the shadow is going to be really pigmented. That doesn't really worry me. So I'm just going to keep tapping on that shadow, stopping halfway, and then applying through my crease and using a really light hand just to buff this out. I'm going to get that depth that I like, and then I'm also lightly going to start feathering that inward. The tape just makes everything so much easier. You don't have to be really precise in the outer corner. Everything just goes from the tape in. I love this technique, and it makes the eyeshadow shape just look so nice and clean. Now going back into Earthside, I'm going to buff out the crease. I'm going into the Beauty Creations Dare to Be Bright Color Base Primer in Whiteout. Now patting in that base on my inner half of my lid with my Sigma F70 concealer brush. I'm picking up Super Greens. Now let's tap that shadow over top. Oh my god, look at how pretty this shadow is. And that base just makes the shadow really pop. It's so beautiful. I'm going to lightly feather this up into the bottom part of my crease. And then feather this into the brown. With my Sigma EO6 wing liner brush, I'm just going to create a really thin line along my lash line with Kickback, just to add a little bit of definition and darkness to my lashes because I'm not applying liner. You definitely can if you want to. All right, let's take this off. Look at how beautiful that edge looks. And then now I'm just going to buff away any fallout if there was anything. With my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm just going to tap on Earthside just on the outer half of my lower lash line. Now going into Kickback, just tapping and then buffing that out. Again, just on my outer half. Really want to elongate the eyes. Now going into Chill, I'm going to highlight my inner corner and just buff that out. Now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Demolition, I'm going to line my upper waterline and then line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into Tati Lashes in TL19. And that's the eye look done. I'm obsessed with the eyes. I love this technique in general. It's just so easy, and you can do this with honestly any shade. And I just love the mint. It's so pretty and so perfect, and like it's kind of taking us out a little bit out of that winter feel and going into spring. I'm obsessed. So now for lipstick, I'm going to go into Lottie London Slay All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick in Work It. I love the shade of this and they feel super comfortable, so I keep reaching back for these. So I'm going to apply this. And that is it. This is the completed look of my brown and green smoky cat eye using the Urban Decay Wild Greens eyeshadow palette. I hope that you enjoyed. I'm loving that mint shade. It looks so pretty and it really brought out the green in my eyes, and that white base really made the shadow pop. I love it so much. So let me know what you think of this look down below, and let me know what other looks you guys want to see, color combinations, all that good stuff. Let me know down below. So don't forget to follow me on my Instagrams. I have 2 Instagrams now, one for my makeup and one for my press-on nails, and that will be linked down below, along with all the products that I used today and my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look. I use just my brush set, so You can really do a ton with just those 5 brushes in my brush set. So check that out. That will be linked down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!